Hello everyone, welcome to Defense IAS Academy. Today we are going to cover political science. A few frequently asked multiple choice questions on political science, mainly in the prelims. Political science is one of the most informative and necessary subject for any civil service exam. The syllabus consists of topics related to freedom struggle and Indian politics, then the Constitution of India, and next the international economic systems and trade, then international organization, and India's foreign policy and peacekeeping, among others. So let us start. Question 1. Who is known as the father of the Indian Constitution? The answer is Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, he was a brilliant economist, even though he is today revered mostly as a champion of the Dalits alone. It is not popularly known that he was the first Indian to pursue a doctorate in economics from a Western university. Ambedkar was a key figure in the Constituent Assembly of India, and he was a chairman of the drafting committee. He argued for the reservations in the civil services, government jobs, and educational institutions for the depressed candidate classes. He also demanded extensive rights for women. For his role in preparation of the Constitution, he is revered as the father of Indian Constitution. So, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar is known as the father of Indian Constitution. Next question, right to privacy come under which article? The correct answer is Article 21. The Article 21 says the right to life and personal liberty is assured by the Indian Constitution under Article 21. This is a very important and wide topic and has several implications for the citizens of India. Now, according to Article 21, the protection of life and personal liberty, no person shall be deprived of his life or personal liberty except according to procedure established by law. Next question, which type of democracy do we follow in India? So, India follows representative democracy. Now, what is representative democracy? It is a form of democracy in which people vote for representatives who then vote on policy initiatives as opposed to direct democracy. A form of democracy in which people vote on policy initiatives directly. Next question, who has the right to decide whether a bill is money bill or not? Answer is Speaker of Lok Sabha. Question 5, who is the first law officer of the country? The answer to the question is Attorney General. Next question, who is the chairman of Niti Aayog? The answer is Prime Minister. The National Institute of Transforming India is called as Niti Aayog. So the expansion is National Institute for Transforming India. It's called Niti Aayog. It was formed via a resolution of the Cabinet on January 1, 2015. It was formed on January 1, 2015, and the chairman of Niti Aayog is Prime Minister. Next question, on which date India became a sovereign democratic republic? The answer is 26 January 1950. Question 8. Who was the chairman of the drafting committee of the Indian Constitution? Answer is Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. And next question. The inspiration of liberty, equality and fraternity was derived from what? So, it was derived from the French Revolution. The French Revolution was a period of major social upheaval that began in 1787 and ended in 1799. It sought to completely change the relationship between the rulers and those they governed and to redefine the nature of the political power. Next question. Who was the constitutional advisor to the Constituent Assembly of India? The answer is B.N. Rao. Next question. The term of office of the Vice President of India is dash 5 years. So the term of office of a Vice President is 5 years. Next question. National income of India is complied by dash. It is Central Statistical Organization. Next question. Fundamental right to property has been deleted by which act? It is been deleted by the 44th Amendment Act. The 44th Amendment made a few changes in the provisions of the Constitution. It nullifies the power to the the 44th Amendment Act nullified this unjustified power to the government. Right to property was removed from the list of fundamental rights, that is Article 31, and was made a legal right under Article 300A. Next question. Indian Constitution recognizes minorities on the basis of what? So the minorities are recognized on the basis of religion. So religion is the answer. Next one. Which part of the Constitution deals with the directive principle of state policy? So part 4 of the Constitution. Answer is part 4. Part 4 of the Constitution deals with the directive principle to become the Vice President of India. Next question. Question 18. Niti Aayog has been formed to replace which institution? So Niti Aayog was formed to replace Planning Commission. Planning Commission was replaced by Niti Aayog. Next question. How many fundamental duties are mentioned in Indian Constitution? How many fundamental duties are mentioned in Indian Constitution? So there are 11 fundamental duties that are mentioned in the Indian Constitution. The fundamental duties include to respect ideals of Constitution, that's national flag and the national anthem, to cherish ideas of our national struggle for freedom, to uphold the unity and integrity, to defend the country and render national services, to promote the spirit of common brotherhood, to value and preserve the rich heritage, to protect and improve natural environment, to develop scientific temper, to safeguard public property, to strive towards excellence, to provide opportunities for education to child between 6 to 14 years. So these are the 11 things in the Indian Constitution. I mean the 11 fundamental duties that are mentioned in the Indian Constitution. Next question. Who is the Supreme Commander of Indian Defence Forces? Who is the Supreme Commander of the Indian Defence Forces? It is President of India. Next question. Which article of Indian Constitution has the provision for national emergency? Which article of Indian Constitution has the provision for national emergency? Answer is Article 350. The Article 352. National emergency could be declared on the basis of external aggression or war and the internal disturbances in the whole of India or a part of its territory, and this emergency is declared under the Article 352. Next question. Under which article President of India can proclaim constitutional emergency? Under which article the President of India can proclaim constitutional emergency? It is Article 356. Next question. Which amendment is also known as the mini constitution of India? Which amendment is also known as the mini constitution of India? It is the 42nd Amendment. 42nd Amendment is also called as the mini constitution of India. Question 24. How is the member of Rajya Sabha elected? How are the members of the Rajya Sabha elected? The answer is by the elected members of the Legislative Assembly. They are elected by the members of the Legislative Assembly. Question 25. Indian citizenship is granted by whom? Who grants the Indian citizenship? Answer is the Ministry of Home Affairs. The Ministry of Home Affairs grants the Indian citizenship. Next question. What is the minimum age for the member of Vidhan Parishad? The answer is 30 years. Minimum age is 30 years. Question 27. Which is the largest committee of Parliament of India? The answer is Estimates Committee. Estimates Committee is the largest committee of Parliament of India. Question 28. The minimum number of the members that must be present to hold the meeting of Lok Sabha. The answer is 1/10 of total membership. So, 1/10 of the total membership of people or members in Lok Sabha are needed so that they can hold a meeting of Lok Sabha. Question 29. By whom recommendations fundamental duties have been added in the Constitution by 42 Amendment Act 1976? It is Swaran Singh Committee. So, Swaran Singh Committee recommendations helped or made the fundamental duties to be added in the Constitution by the 42nd Amendment Act 1976. Next question. Respect of the national flag and national anthem is the answer is fundamental duties of every citizen. Respect for national flag and national anthem is the fundamental duties for every citizen. Thank you. Thank you for being with us in this session. I hope you got informations about some important topics or some important questions. If you like this video, please do share it to your friends and subscribe to the channel Defense IAS Academy.